So our next concept, quiet down so no one can hear you on the YouTube, guys. If a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, then the opposite angles are congruent. So we just have done two things so far. The first one we did was definition of a parallelogram, opposite sides parallel. Then we just showed that if it's a parallelogram, the opposite sides are congruent. And we did a proof for that. And this is the second, or maybe the third idea, if you will. If you have a parallelogram, then the opposite angles are congruent. And we could do this proof too. And I'm going to do it really quickly because it's the same proof as the one before. If I start with it's a parallelogram, and I do this, and if I draw an auxiliary line, and if I say that those are congruent and those are congruent because if the lines are parallel, then alternate interior angles are congruent, then we know that we still have angle side angle for here. Now we can say CPCTC for A and C. CPCTC for A and C. So we'd have two sets. We've done it once. In order to finish this proof, we would have to clear and erase the whole thing and start again, but do our auxiliary line over here. And if we did our auxiliary line over here, then we'd do this, and this, and this, and this, and we'd be able to say CPCTC, and now we'd have our opposite angles congruent. So that's a really, really fast walk you through the proof of if you have a parallelogram, prove the opposite angles are congruent.